In this video, we will learn how to install Inkscape on Windows 11. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type Inkscape and hit enter. The official website is visible. Click here. Here is the official website and it automatically took us to the download button and downloaded it. So the download started. Let's wait. If it won't start, you need to just click here to start. Okay. We have downloaded Inkspace. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click next. Inkscape will get installed in the following location under program files. Not a problem. Click next. Click install. Now Inkspace will get installed. We have installed Inkspace. Click finish. The desktop shortcut is also visible. If you want to start it, you can either click here or go to start and type Inkscape. Here it is. Click open. Now Inkspace will open for the first time. So Inkspace started. For free tutorials, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.